Whether you have a high-end PC, a powerful laptop running Windows 11, Linux, or even a MacBook with Apple Silicon, you can start using Claude Code with Ollama's local and cloud models. For this tutorial, we will be installing Claude Code on Linux. First, let's talk about my hardware specs. I'm running this on my HP gaming laptop. It's decent, but definitely not a supercomputer. I'm mentioning this because AI performance depends heavily on your hardware. You will need at least 16 GB of RAM and NVIDIA GPU with 4 GB of VRAM. If your system meets these requirements, you can run models like Qwen 3.5 and GLM 4.7 Flash locally without any major issues. If your laptop struggles with local models, don't worry, I will share a free cloud-based solution later in the video. As you can see, I have also installed proprietary NVIDIA drivers to enable partial GPU acceleration. Since we are running Claude Code with Ollama, the first step is to install Ollama on your system. Go ahead and open your web browser, go to official website, copy the install command and paste it into your terminal. If you're on a Mac, simply download the DMG file, drag the icon into Applications folder and open Ollama. It will start running in the background. The process is similar on Windows. Alright, once Ollama is installed, as you can see, it has detected the NVIDIA GPU. This means you can run compatible LLMs with full GPU support. Now let's verify that Ollama is running. Enter this command to check its status. You will notice that the default context window is set to 4K. By default, Ollama runs on a local port. Open this URL in your browser to confirm that Ollama server is working properly. Now it's time to install Claude Code. This is an AI coding assistant that can write, understand, and fix code for you. You can install Claude Code based on your operating system. On Linux and macOS, it's just a simple one-line command. On Windows, you will need to run the relevant command inside PowerShell. I will copy this command and paste it into the terminal. This will start the installation process. Once it's done, you will need to run this command to add Claude Code to your system's environment variables. Now you can verify that Claude is installed by running this command. As you can see, it shows the version, which means Claude is successfully installed. You can run Claude directly to use Anthropic models like Opus if you have an account. But for now, we will stick with Ollama. To exit the TUI, press Ctrl+C twice. It's time to run Claude Code with local Ollama models. This means you will be using your own hardware to power the AI. Now first, we need to download a model that's both powerful and efficient. Now go to Ollama's model library, apply the tooling and thinking filters, and choose Qwen 3.5. It's a great balance of performance and efficiency, especially for low-end systems like mine. If you have more RAM and VRAM, you can try models like Qwen 3 Coder and GLM Flash 4.7. But for most cases, Qwen 2.5 or 3.5 is the great choice. Now go ahead and copy this command and run this inside terminal to download the model. This will install the 6 billion parameter version with a large context window. Once installed, let's test it in REPL. As you can see, it runs decently on my system using both CPU and partial GPU acceleration. Now by default, Ollama intelligently splits the workload so performance stays stable. Now go ahead and press Ctrl+C to stop the model from generating the output and exit the REPL environment by pressing Ctrl+D. Now by default, the context window is limited, which isn't ideal for Claude Code. Claude requires minimum of 64K context window. We will increase it by creating a custom model with a larger context size. Now go ahead and create a model file using this command. Then set the base model and context size of 64K, then save it. After that, run the command to create a brand new custom model with any name of your choice. You can verify it using Ollama list. Now go ahead and run this brand new model. If it loads successfully, your system can handle the large context. You can also confirm by running this command, and you can see it uses the larger context window. Now let's connect this model to Claude Code. Just go ahead and create a folder for your workspace and navigate into it. Then launch Claude Code using your custom model. Now simply type the brand new Ollama launch command with the model name. You will see the Claude setup screen. Just go ahead and choose your theme and trust the workspace. And just like that, Qwen 3.5 is now running locally with Claude Code. Now let's test it with a simple prompt. As expected, responses are slower since everything is running locally, but it works perfectly. Now for something more practical, let's ask it to create a simple C program and save it to a file. As you can see, it successfully uses tool calling to create and manage files. We can even ask it to run and test the program, and it works perfectly. And lastly, let's try generating a shell script to create multiple folders. And there we go, it completes the task without any issues. And that's it. Now you have Claude Code running locally with Ollama. It's time to show you how to use Claude Code with Qwen 3.5 in VS Code to build a simple static website. Now first create a brand new workspace and open it inside VS Code. Then open Terminal inside VS Code and launch Claude using the Qwen 3.5 model. I will keep Accept Edits turned on. This way, it can automatically apply changes. Now, let's provide a prompt to create a simple Hello World website using HTML and CSS. After a few minutes, it generates a complete HTML file with all the content. As you can see, this is the code it wrote. And here's the website it created. It actually looks very good. Since I'm using a low-end system, the responses are a bit slower. But on high-end machines like Apple Silicon with 64 GB of unified memory, the generation speed will be much faster. If your computer doesn't have at least 16 GB of RAM and 4 GB of VRAM, you may not be able to run Ollama models locally. In that case, you can use Ollama's cloud models. They offer a free tier allowing you to run powerful LLMs with high-end GPUs. These are the cloud models available for free. Now for this video, I will be using KIMI K2.5 Cloud Edition, which works great in most scenarios. Just go ahead and run this simple command and it will prompt you to open a web browser and sign in into your Ollama account. Log in using your email or Google account, then connect to your device. Once it's done, return to the terminal. Now you can use Claude Code with the KIMI K2.5 Cloud Edition. It's very good for agent-based tasks. Now let's test it with a prompt. And as you can see, the response is super fast. You can exit the interface anytime using the exit option. Now let's use KIMI K2.5 in VS Code to create a simple to-do list application. It completes a task in 30 to 40 seconds, which is insanely fast. And as you can see, the website looks great. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can run Claude Code using Ollama models. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.